guys, and today I'm
Guys.
playing with my friend Christopher. Sonic. Friend of
Where
mine.
are you, Aaron?
I don't know, where are you?
Are you? Oh, I see you. I saw you.
What is this place?
A helicopter.
Helicopter? Oh, frick!
Aaron, we're stranded. Whoa!
Huh. That was like, I
We
could
almost
never
died.
miss that.
What
Like,
happened?
bro, that was like so easy. I
Almost.
could never miss that. Bro, these rockets, I can never. Maybe I did. Maybe I can die from them.
I told you. It's a bad idea.
Sonic's winning.
Bro
Sonic was
died.
winning.
Get the L.
Sonic's so fast.
Oh,
Run
now
fast,
making
Sonic.
it
Run
harder.
fast. Gotta go fast. Run faster, Sonic.
Whoa! My ankles hurt. What
What
the?
happened? Get ready
Where
to
are
complete
we?
the painting.
Aaron, I don't know what to do.
I don't know what to do as well.
Like this. No, 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 no. Stop.
Blue, 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 blue,
Like this, and
red,
like this.
blue, blue.
And like this.
I don't know. What is this supposed to be? What is this? Why is it letting me
Uh,
buy stuff?
oh, my ankles hurt. Aaron, I pressed the button.
Oh my god, guys.
Oh!
Wait,
Aaron, you're. Oh, hi, Aaron.
I'm going to the coin shop real quick. Let me just see what I have in the coin shop.
Don't buy a taser or a pistol or a freeze gun, okay?
What is
Don't
this?
use the freeze gun on me.
What is this? It's a jetpack. I got a jetpack. I'm much better than you in this game. I got a jetpack. I'm a jetpack.
Okay. Do you want? I know I do.
Bro, I have a
I play
jetpack.
this game.
Yeah! Oh my god. Sonic, you can go through these because they're so fast. Sonic! Sonic, I made a video about you, but you were not friendly. Why were you not friendly? Tell me why you weren't friendly. Oh my god, I just lost.
Aaron.
I just went through that. Oh, you did it. I gotta get through that. Dude, yes, I
Oh
did
my
it.
goodness!
Wait,
What?
Sonic, press the button. What the heck is that? Gotta take cover. Oh.
Oh,
I
that's random.
gotta take cover. I was like going up.
What is this?
I'm making it to the end. You gotta make it to the end, but I don't. This is gonna be easy because I have a jetpack.
That is so.
More like not gonna be easy.
Aaron,
I can make it. Look.
you're.
Zoom, zoom. Sonic, I'm like Sonic. What the? I was like Tarzan. Please, please, please,
You like?
please. Yes, I made it. We made it. I made it. I made it. Gojo. Gojo. It's Gojo. He's putting a lot of money up.
I died.
You died? Well, I didn't die.
Yeah. You have jetpack.
I got it from. I'm gonna get a taser. Oh wait, I can't. What can I get? Launch teleporters.
Aaron, I almost range quit. I'm gonna press the button. Aaron, I pressed the button.
Oh, frick!
Aaron, I
What
pressed
is
the
that?
button. Aaron, I pressed the button. Aaron, you see me?
I'm I'm a go. I died.
I told you.
Ah, where are we? Watch out.
Sigma. Rin, I'm pressing the button. Oh. Rin, I don't have a sword.
Same, I know how to sword. We gotta run. We gotta run. Get up.
Nah. Bro's cheating.
Dude, where am I going? Oh my god, I was about to hit my booty.
What the shit?
Hey, you fell. Ow! Ah!
Ooh, I found something.
What you found?
I found.
You can't get me. I was floating. Get to the
Oh.
end. This is gonna be easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Oh.
I'm cheating.
Oh, you're so cheater. Aaron, I can't move. Aaron, I can't move. For real.
I know
Oh,
how
I
to get to the
did
end.
it. Aaron, I'm doing it.
Yes, I made it! I made it!
I'm
I
doing
made
it.
it!
Aaron.
Yeah.
Aaron, I'm
I'm
scared.
free. Oh, never mind. And get a freeze gun!
Don't you dare do it. Wait, what?
I can get a gun
Mommy, I'm
and
pressing the button. Where? Ow!
I can get this
That
random.
freaking hurts.
What is this?
Aaron, I can
Hey,
move.
Christopher, I found something. Can I test it on you?
No, I'm not.
Stick it up, partner. Hold up. I can just cheat the whole entire. Oh my god!
Both sucks.
Stick 'em up, brother. We got some mobs to kill.
No cheating. Aaron, no cheating.
Oh, it's just one of these things.
Aaron, no cheating.
Well, I can get it. Let's
You're.
I'm gonna use
Oh
my
my
jetpack
god.
to go.
Aaron, I lost my rabbit. Aaron? Aaron!
Oh, what happened
What is
to me?
this?
Well, I'm in the floor. Oh, never mind. I'm not in the floor.
No, no!
Oh my god.
Aaron, my head.
What is this game mode supposed to be?
Goofy at Goofy. Oh!
Bro, what is he doing? I'm gonna get something else from this. What the?
Hmm.
I
Hey,
know
Aaron,
something in
I
my
have
screen.
something. I have something.
What is it?
Far away. Aaron, I can't move. Now I know. Aaron, what is going on?
I can have. Ah! No, please. What the? I was just flat. I just fell off the map. Wow. Button presser. Gotta.
What?
Uh,
Ooh. Aaron, you see me? Aaron?
I technically.
Aaron!
Yes.
Aaron, I'm frozen.
I can't.
That is
I made
funny.
it.
I wish I had the taser. A taser. Somebody's name is Aaron. He's a cheater, pumpkin eater.
Wait, I forgot I have this one thing and I can go fast with it. Bruh, what do
Brown
you mean?
sucks. Brown sucks.
Fast, fast. Dun, 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 dun. I made it.
I'm pressing the button first. I pressed the button first.
Hold up. I haven't
How I
cheated.
do this?
I'm cheating.
Oh, that's easy. Aaron, I can't move. Now I died. God dang it, I hate this game.
Guys,
It's hard to move. The bro sucks. You need to be on slow instead. Bro's cheating. I'm still alive.
I made it. I made it.
Aaron, I'm still alive.
I'm gonna shoot you. Get pranked.
Aaron, I'm pressing first.
What
I
else
pressed
can
the
I get
button.
from the store?
What is
A
going
banana
on?
peel? Ooh,
Aaron,
I was in
I have something. I have
I was
something for
in
you.
there. I wasn't in the rain.
Aaron, I have something for you.
Wait, come follow me.
By the
Follow
way,
me.
Aaron,
Follow.
we're flowing. Aaron, why I see a banana peel?
You can grab one. Grab one. Grab a banana peel. Bro, you saw that? I can cheat in this one. No!
Rain fulfill. I'm a
Right foot.
Ugh.
Wanna win it in that
It's really hard to do it. Aaron, don't you dare make me slip. Aaron, don't you dare make me slip. What happened to my head?
Brain big. We have a
your
brain.
your head is fat.
Hey, don't say that about me. Oh, parkour. I'm so good at parkour. I'll show you how I'm good.
Sure.
I'll show you how I'm good. I can go fast. I made it. I made it to the end. Guys, hope you liked the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.